it's me again. Just going over a few things before we have our great time at fireworks, at our fireworks extravaganza. The 22nd of July. It's a time that we can come together and share our feelings about life, share our feelings about hurt feelings, and come to an understanding of how life is so meaningful, not meaningless. So we've got let me show you one of the tools that we'll be using in our therapy session. It's called Cascade. Okay. Now, we chose this firework specifically for this group because we know, like a waterfall cascading, the tears of hurt feelings and the tears of bad political decisions are kind of flowing through this country. So, as a cathartic event to just let the tears flow, we will bring to you Cascade, and let your tears cascade from your eyes to the ground, and let it be done, and let them evaporate and feel that emotion and that hurt inside, and give it away to fire. Join us on the 22nd, and you'll be tear-free.